Hey Pond Peas, what's happening? Guess what? We're starting a new project today. It seems this year we've had nothing but fun, exciting projects for the crew to do. This is another one. This one here was an existing pondless waterfall that they had. Another contractor put it in a few years ago. They called us in because it wasn't working right. It was leaking, not flowing, all kinds of problems with it. So we've yanked most of the things out. We're gonna finish yanking it out and cleaning up the property, getting it ready to put a new one in. Let me show you what this thing looks like now. Starting out with. You see the hole we've got to work with. You see the rocks and the dirt, this kind of construction zone that we're starting with. In a couple days, this is going to be a beautiful pond. It's going to have taro plants, it's going to have water hyacinths, it's going to have lettuce, and we're going to have a waterfall coming from behind me right here. We're going to have a waterfall coming from over there also. This is going to be gorgeous. Watch how we do it here. Pond Peeps, 3 days, that's all this took. These guys are amazing. It took 3 days to turn this thing from a hole in the ground into a beautiful pond. It's got plants, it's got fish, it's got filtration. It's gonna be gorgeous in another month or so. It's November 1st here and we're building ponds. We do it all year long. These guys love what they do and they do a great job of it.